Before using solid chemicals, make sure that the people around you are aware that you are handling hazardous materials. As well, determine what could make the chemical being used a hazard. Is it flammable, corrosive, toxic, reactive to water, or is there something else that could happen? I will share a link that shares what different hazardous symbols mean. The first step for any experiment is putting on your gloves and safety goggles, as well as girls putting your hair up. Conduct your experiment slowly, making sure to properly scale all of your chemicals. Here I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, making sure to shake off any excess before measuring it out, making sure it's exactly 1 teaspoon. As you can see, I pour it into my bowl. And then after, I use 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. So as soon as the vinegar and baking soda make contact with each other, there is a visible reaction. There you go. At the bottom, you can see it bubbling. After using your chemicals, disinfect the area in which the chemicals were used and properly dispose of chemicals either in the garbage or drain or an alternate place if the chemical is toxic. Check with your teacher on where they would like the chemicals to be placed. I will also link a website that shares what can and cannot be put down the drain. When you are done with any and all chemicals that you have been using, make sure that they are properly put away in the proper storage space. After that, you can go ahead and remove your gloves, making sure not to get any of the material on your skin, as well as removing your safety goggles. If chemicals end up on one's person, use a gloved hand to brush off any excess chemicals from this clothes or skin. Then rinse underwater for a minimum of 15 minutes. This is so that minimal chemicals go down the drain and are wasted. If the chemical that has spilled is flammable, turn off all heat sources. There are many alternatives to using real solid chemicals. Copper sheets and wires can be purchased at general hardware stores, as well as nails and bolts that are made of iron. Epsom salts are magnesium sulfate and can be bought at a drugstore or general store. Sodium carbonate is baking soda, and sucrose is sugar. Both can be bought at any general store. When using solid chemicals, make sure to be safe and responsible. Thanks for watching.